Hello and welcome. I'm Ulf Lund, Birds and Nature. This is my studio, and today we're gonna watch a movie about the Great Spotted Woodpecker, a nest in the forest right beside where I live. The gear I used was a Ohm 1 with a 150-400 TC Pro, and for the sound I have a Zoom F1 with a shotgun mic. So it was a very nice day, and I have some footage to show you. Let's dive in. The male is searching for the perfect instrument, and he found it. Some dry wood. Sounds good. Like the dry wood in the body of a guitar. The young one is calling for food, but they have to wait. He must drum a little more. But maybe it's time. You can hear the warning sounds from the crows. There's many people around. It could be a man walking his dog. The male is back to his drum. But maybe the female is coming with food. I'm filming at a place where many people walk. So this family is very used to humans. It's very good reach from the 150-400 TC Pro. So I won't disturb them. And now we can hear that it's probably more than one inside. 2 or 3. Time for food. Lots of insects. They get fed one by one. The Great Spotted Woodpecker is a very common bird, but it's nice to see them this close. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.